Hey guys, earning 1 crore in a short period of time is a challenging goal that requires careful planning, effort, and a bit of luck. Here are a few potential strategies that could help you achieve this goal in less time. First strategy is starting a high growth business. Starting a business with high growth potential, such as a tech startup, can potentially help you earn 1 crore in a relatively short period of time. However, this approach also carries a higher risk of failure. So, it's important to do your due diligence and seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs and investors. My second strategy is investing aggressively in stock market or other high risk or high reward investments can potentially help you earn 1 crore in less time. However, this approach also carries a high risk of losing money, so it's important to carefully evaluate your investment opportunities and seek professional advice. My third strategy to suggest you is pursuing a paying career. Pursuing a high paying career such as in finance, law, or medicine can potentially help you earn 1 crore in less time. However, this approach also requires significant education, training, and networking to achieve success. My fourth strategy is participating in high stakes competitions or contests. Remember, earning 1 crore in less time requires significant effort and a bit of luck. It's important to carefully evaluate your opportunities and approach them with a clear plan and realistic expectations. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to hit bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you so much again.